Electromagnetic focusing shockwave therapy device. 5 replaceable silicone heads for superior adaptability and enhanced precision. Covering multiple pain areas of the whole body. Non-invasive treatment. Precisely target the lesion. Dedicated treatment head for male erectile dysfunction. The handle contains core high-tech components. The depth of energy can be adjusted and controlled. Focus on the illness and easily relieve the pain. Activate deep collagen and relieve calcified tissues. Additional devices, greater precision and higher efficiency. Whole body pain conditions precise, non-invasive treatment for effortless comfort. Electromagnetic focused shockwave therapy device safeguards your health.